A man said to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, okay, direct me to a deed that may admit me to Jannah. Okay, upon this, he, the messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, said, worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and never associate anything with him in worship, establish salat, zakat, and strengthen ties of kinship. So if you look at like the things that was said in this hadith, right? Most, like, I think 80% of it was is about the rukuns in our religion, right? Firstly is to never have associate with Allah SWT, do not make syirik to Allah SWT, and then salat, and then zakat, and then the last one Rasulullah SAW said that, and then strengthen your ties with your kinship. Okay? So meaning that to have that ties with your family members, or or that good relationship with people around you, and it is as important as performing salat, zakat, and not creating syirik as to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Right. So that is why I say that one of the important aspects as living in this life as a human being, moreover as a Muslim, is to maintain good relationship or having silaturahmi with others. Right? And again, what will happen to you if you don't maintain that? Right? The most, how do I say, the most severe punishment, right? If you do not maintain good relationship, or you cut off people from your life in a certain way, then the person who breaks the bond of kinship will not enter paradise. I mean, like, that is like a sad thing lah. Macam bayangkan kita dah like all our lives kita perform ibadah, solat, zakat, kita pergi haji, umrah, all that ni, and then because of just one relationship that kita cut off, and that can be a reason why we are not able to enter Jannah, right? So yeah, think about it.